So they actually want me to evaluate things here. What I'm noticing is that there are two different functions that are given to me. I have function f and function g. So I need to pay attention to the notation. This is asking me to use function f, so I'm going to use this one. And it says, hey, what happens when I substitute 7 in place of my x? So I'm going to do that. 10 times 7 plus 6. Yes, this is required work. So f of 7 equals 10 times 7 is 70, plus 6 is 76, and this notation is required on your answer. This gives me this whole side of the equation. It says it's 26. So that side is replaced with 26. It wants me to actually solve this equation now for x. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides to get 20 equals 10x, and then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 2. Here, this one's asking me to use function g and to substitute 6 in place of the x. So g of 6, I'm going to do 6 plus 8 over 2. So g of 6 is 6 plus 8 is 14, divided by 2 is 7. Again, yes, that is required work. When I'm looking at the graph, it wants, since y is f of x, it's saying, hey, when x is 7 over here, what is y? Well, y is 6. And then when y is 2, what is x? Well, I have 3 different places that work here. So I have 3 different answers. My first answer is x equals about a third. My second one is x equals about 3 1/3. And my third one would be exactly x equals 5. The first two you might be slightly off on. The third one, it's exactly 5, so you need to make sure that you have